We begin by connecting the MC1000 to our laptop computer via USB and performing a USB scan. We choose the device to pull up its properties in the Properties window at the left of our screen, and we may edit the IP address or any other settings in the Properties window. Once we complete the update, we press the floppy disk save icon and we perform a scan via network after connecting the network cable to the MC1000 to confirm that the IP settings have updated. We now see our MC1000 as well as all other KeyDigital management software capable devices on our scan, and we can change any other settings that we wish in the management software.